This WASSCE 2024 Further Mathematics question number 6 is on drawing histogram for a distribution with unequal class interval. How do we go about that? You notice that the interval here is 20, the one here is 10, this one is 10, this one is also 10, but this is 20, this is 30, this is 50. So we are going to use the frequency density. So we have the upper class boundary. You add 0.5 to the 19 to get 19.5. Subtract 0.5 from the 20 to get 19.5, so that they will have a common boundary. So the same thing you do here: 29.5, 29.5, 39.5, 39.5, so that we can use it to draw the histogram. Now we have to calculate the class width. How do we get the class width? If I ask you to count the numbers 0, 1, 2 up to 90, you end up getting 20. Or 20, 21 up to 29, you get 10. 100, 101 up to 149, you get 50. But another way you can get the class width is by using the class boundaries. So this is 149.5, this is 99.5. 149.5 minus 99.5 will give you 50. 29.5 minus 19.5 will give you 10. 19.5 minus negative 0.5 will give you 20. So that is how you get the class width and how you calculate the frequency density. So to get the frequency density, this is what you do. You divide the number of villages by the class width. So frequency divided by class width will give us the frequency density. So 12 over 20 will give us 0.6, 7 over 10 will give us 0.7, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at the scale we are going to choose on the horizontal axis. On the horizontal axis, we are choosing a scale of 2 centimeters is to 20 units. 2 centimeters to 20 units. That's what we have chosen. 2 centimeters to 20 units. Then on the vertical axis, we are choosing 2 centimeters is to 0.1 unit. 2 centimeters is to 0.1 unit. So each of the boxes here is 0.01. 0.01. So that if I want 0.1, I'll count 10 boxes. So that is the frequency density on the vertical axis for you. And on the horizontal axis, we have the distance less than the upper class boundary. In kilometers, we can now plot the histogram. So I want a distance of 20, since the class width is 20. So I'll start from here. This is 20. So I'll draw the histogram up to 0.6 for the frequency density. Then 29.5. I'll draw from 19.5 to 29.5. The width is 10. So that will give me up to 0.7. Then for 39.5, from 29.5 up to 39.5, the width is still 10, but the height of the rectangle is 0.6. Then we continue like that for 49.5, 39.5 up to this, the width is still 10. So I draw the histogram with a height of 0.8. Then 69.5. So from 49.5 to 69.5, the width is 20. So I need to get 20 width here. So that is the 20. So I'll draw the histogram to cover that area. And to go up, how many units? 0.25. Each box is 0.01, so I will need to count 25 boxes, which is this. Then 0.3. And then finally, we have 0.2. So that is the histogram for you. Create a break here. That's the histogram for you for the frequency density. Distance in kilometers, number of villages.